For an accurate reading, the pH meter must be calibrated at the same temperature as the samples that you're testing. So let's give this a try. If you're looking at a product that is smooth or liquid, such as this Bloody Mary mix that I have, we can just simply pour product into a cup and take our calibrated pH meter, which I'm going to turn on, and put that into our product. Now, the meters that we have, and this would be specific to whatever meter you're using, you're going to want to make sure you look at the minimum level, and our minimum level is right here. There's a little indicator, and a maximum level is up here. So make sure you're testing enough product to get an accurate reading. So we'll let the pH meter do its thing. There's a little indicator that shows that it's testing, and once that's done, we have our result. And the result of this is 4.0. And so if we go back to that required level of equal to or less than 4.6, this product is within that measurement range. A couple things. We like to encourage you to do 2 tests per batch. And then a very important step is to actually record your results. And we do have a sample form that you can access in the resource section. But everything is complete on that form. You write your product that you're testing, and there are a variety of different things that you need to fill in, processing methods, and so on, the date that calibration or the meter was calibrated, as well as the actual product testing. So I'm going to write our result on this pH testing, 1 jar per batch, 24 hours after processing. Our product pH, oh, guess what? It's changed. It's now 4.1. We'll go with that. We're still within our allowable minutes or range. And I'll put the date and the time of the test. Okay, and as I said, we want you to do 2 tests for each batch that you do to get make sure your product is testing in that acceptable range. All right, so what we're going to do now is rinse off the meter. And you want to make sure you're getting into the electrodes and so on, as Suzanne had shown us earlier. But we want to get rid of the Bloody Mary mix because we're going to move on and check some salsa. All right, for chunkier products such as the salsa, you're going to need to blend that product to a smooth consistency. So I will show you what we're going to do. We're going to pour a sample of this salsa into our blender container. Hopefully I have it blended well enough. And we're going to turn our pH meter on. And all you need to do is place that probe into the sample. And again, you want to make sure you're within the appropriate sample level. And I am here. And the meter will do its thing. And as you can see, these pH meters are really very quick in their reading, and so we don't have to be waiting around a lot. And we're done, and our salsa is testing at 3.7. So again, that range of equal to or less than 4.6 is what we're striving for, and this is well below that level. So this is acceptable, allowable. What I would do is rinse my probe with distilled water and do a second test using the same batch, but it's our way of getting a second reading. I would make sure I'm recording my results on my record.